What's up, guys? Fresco BK here, live at Stadium Goods. We're located on 47 Howard Street. That's Manhattan, Soho area, so please feel free to pull up. We've been covering Yeezy for a variety of different videos, and thank you guys for liking and sharing all of our videos on Facebook and on YouTube. But we're gonna unbox the 700 V2 Static. I know this is one that you guys have been waiting for, so scratch all the talking. We're gonna get straight to these shoes. So, we've got the box top here. 2.0, so keep that in mind. But we have the Yeezy V2 700 Static. So you guys can see it shares a lot of similarities to the version 1. We have the mesh underlays throughout the entire upper, but we have some 3M hits also in that toe area. We have suede overlay here, suede and leather overlay that runs throughout. So suede transitions into the sail colored leather that sits just below, and 3M once again on this outer panel. 3M, it looks like the 3 stripes right there on the side that you guys can see. The midsole is slightly bulkier than the version 1. Let's get back to the front here. So these laces are fully tonal, but they're also 3M. So they're 3M hits throughout all of the lace area. No logos on the tongue, just the mesh once again. So we turn to the back panel, leather overlay here, and the 3M underlay right there. And then we have another suede hit along with the mesh panels at the back. Sail midsole. Inner panel mirrors the outer panel with the sail, 3M once again. Let's get to the outsole, full black. It's pretty much a very similar outsole to the version 1, so you're not missing much there. And once again, this has Boost throughout the entire outsole. And as we get to the insert, you guys will see the Ortholite Yeezy, but this is a Boost. So the Ortholite was previously featured in the 500, but we also have it here in the Boost in the version 2 of the 700. So I'll give you guys one last look at the Yeezy Static V2. So please let me know what you guys think in the comments. We've unboxed the mauve, we've unboxed the original version 1. Let me know what you guys think, which one is your favorite. I definitely like this colorway a lot, and the 3M hits are super fire. But we have these along with the first 700s available to order. The link is in the bio of this YouTube video. And once again, thank you guys for liking and sharing all of our videos on YouTube. But we have these shoes along with the original 700s and a variety of others right here at Stadium Goods. We're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area, so please feel free to pull up. Please make sure you guys download the Stadium Goods app. It's available on iOS and Android. If you have any questions regarding anything Stadium Goods, visit stadiumgoods.com. And last but not least, follow at Stadium Goods on all social media platforms. I am Fresco BK, and salud.